Hi, today I decided I'm going to try a kitchen quote board. I'll put up the example of what it's supposed to look like over here. Excuse my fingers. You know, crafters' hands are usually always colored different colors. So I'm going to attempt this board in my own little way because I don't have exactly what they have in the pictures, and obviously I don't want it exactly the same. So I'm going to change it a little bit. So let's roll the intro and get to the video.
I love being creative and trying new things in my journey through life, writing best practices, tips and tricks, sharing updates on my own writing and books with different tutorials sprinkled in between. I enjoy sharing my knowledge. There's music covers and original pieces written and composed by me, handmade jewelry reveals, sewing videos, other crafts, poetry reading, book reviews and many more. Come and join me on this journey and let's have fun together.
So what I'm going to be using for this project, couldn't think of the words, I'm going to be using this, and you'll see how I'm going to do it. I'm going to be spraying after I've, because I'm first going to sand it down. So I'm going to be using this to sand it down. I hijacked it from my husband. And then I'm going to be spraying it with Rust-Oleum metallic finish in a, like, it looks like rose gold. And I'm going to be using this for decoration. It's dried orange or lemon. And then some of these like leaves from, you know, plastic leaves. And this little thing, which I've just shoved the flowers in there. I'll glue them in there. And then to glue everything on, I'm going to be using my glue gun. But this is a stronger glue stick. It's for PVC and cable and that, so it sticks much stronger than just the normal glue gun sticks. It's more expensive as well though, unfortunately. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start with sanding this down. It doesn't need a lot of sanding. I just need to fix some of the edges and that's make it nicer. I'm going to spray the back first and then the front, because the front is what everyone's going to see, so you want that one to be nicer than the back one. Okay, so I finished spraying it and it's dry. The one thing I didn't show you was the actual board that I did. I printed it, I typed it out, and then I printed it. So I'm going to glue it over here. And that will be the first thing. So this one. Now I'm going to glue this down. This is what happens when you're not well. You can't think straight. I need to put some glue in there. There we go. It's done. Now I will show you when I put it up and start it. I had this nail up there and I was wondering what I could put there, and this actually fits there quite nicely, and it's close to my zinc, so I think it looks good. So that is the kitchen board or kitchen quote board that I made. If you liked it, if you can please give the video a thumbs up. If you've tried it as well, you can just tag me on Instagram, and I'd love to see, because you know I'm nosy, so I want to see. And then you can just tag me and I'll see it over there. If you haven't subscribed already, if you can please do so and click the subscription block below. It shows support for my channel, which I really do appreciate, because I'm also trying to reach 1,000 subscribers this year, and you will help me reach that goal if you subscribe, so I would appreciate it. And if you look in the description block below, you will also find all of my social media, including my blog, which is where you'll find more content from me. And if you go to www.patreon.com/Ondeane Lourens, you will also find more content from me, and it's also the best place for you to support what I do on this channel, and then also what I do on my blog, because currently I don't get paid for either. So it will be very helpful if you can go and support me there. If you want to support me but you don't want to become a patron, my email address is also in the description block, so you can just email me and I'll let you know alternative way. So I hope that you have a lovely day further. Keep your crystal on, your sparkle strong, and enjoy your moments. Goodbye.